Hello student, today we are going to see the NEET question paper solution 2019 question paper which is asked in a physics question. Okay, so they are telling, first we will see what is the question. Walk done by the mass from the surface of the earth, okay, to the height h which is equal to radius of the earth. Okay, I'll repeat again. So we have earth here, okay, one object I kept on the surface, okay, radius of the earth is r. This object they are taken at some h height, okay, so that h height is equal to radius of the earth, that's it. Okay, now first, when the object is here, initial potential gravitational potential energy. When the object is here, final gravitational potential energy. Okay, so potential energy formula, u is equal to energy gravitational potential energy. U sometime work done also we can say force into displacement. Simply we can take, this is a simple technique to take the formula. Universal gravitation law, g times of mass of the earth. Okay, first one mass of the earth, second one mass of the satellite. We'll take it example satellite, it's going mass of the satellite. Okay, so second one mass to mass of the satellite, and distance, okay, into distance, this is distance square. Okay, this get cancelled. So energy formula usually will get g times of m1 m2 divided by r, like that we'll get. Okay, also energy symbol will get negative when we are learning in a eighth chapter gravitation. You'll come to know why it is a negative is there. Okay, gravitational potential energy, negative symbol is there. First, initially the energy at on the surface. Okay, on the surface the distance, radius. Okay, the distance is radius, so minus g times of mass of earth, mass of satellite divided by r. Okay, and finally the height, radius of the earth plus height, it's also radius of the earth, two times of the radius it's there. Okay, so energy at final is equal to minus g mass of the earth, mass of the satellite. Now distance is how much, two times of r. Okay, now they asked how much energy, change in energy is required to move from here to here, from surface to another place. Changing energy, energy final minus energy initial, like that you can take it. Okay, so energy final minus g times of m divided by 2r minus of minus. Okay, so minus of minus, it's going to be g m divided by r, like that we can take it. Minus minus we can have plus, so this minus will be plus. So see here, what is the next step, minus g times of divided by common LCM 2r. This is going to become as plus, because minus minus plus, 2 times of g why this is 2, because it's not the same denominator. To bring the same denominator you can multiple with common number, that's it. Okay, so it is one time, it is two times. Finally, if this two subtraction, x minus x plus 2x is, in case like this is there, when it will take x, that is answer. So 2g times of divided by 2r. This is the energy gravitational potential energy is required to bring the mass from the surface of the earth to at the height, radius of the earth. Okay, so the next thing what I'm going to do, it's very simple. So in case one apple or satellite I consider on the surface of the earth. Okay, so f is equal to g times of divided by r square. R is the radius of the earth, m is the mass of the earth. In case I consider one apple or satellite, this is a satellite mass. Okay, and force is equal to weight. So force is equal to weight, no, so W is equal to mg, like that we can take it. Which mg? It's a satellite mass and satellite gravity on the surface g only. Okay, why I am doing like that, we'll come to know slowly why I am doing that. Okay, so divided by r square, this get cancelled. So to find the small g relation, so because in final equation they are given small g also. Okay, so you should relate with small g also. Okay, it's a mass of the earth, so capital G into mass of the earth, you can tell it is small g times of radius square is equal to capital G and mass of the earth. This relation you can give. Okay, so capital G and mass of the earth, you can say small g into radius square into mass of the satellite divided by 2r. This get cancelled. So finally G capital R m divided by 2. G is acceleration due to gravity, R is the radius, m is the mass of the satellite. Okay, and 2, it's a value. Okay, so we are going to get see, we are going to get answer as mgr divided by 2. It's very simple answer. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you want more video, you can subscribe, and you can go and see my playlist. I'm given all the video. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you everyone.